continue with our chapter, the United Nation. Beta, United Nation was founded after? Yes, Babu, give the answer. United Nation was formed after? Well done. Second World War. United Nation was formed after Second World War. Well done. The name United Nation was first used by Divyanshi. Yes, US President Franklin D. Roosevelt used first time this word United Nation. Well done. The League of Nations was formed after. Yes, Dash. No. Yes, Kanishka. Yes, League of Nations was formed after First World War to prevent the world from another war. But this organization was not successful in its aim. Next, beta, the UNO Charter was signed by. Yes, Muskan Kaur. Yes, well done. UNO Charter was signed on 24 October 1945. It means United Nations was formed on 24 October 1945. What did people learn from First World War? Yes. Yeah, yes. Yes. Babu, give the answer. Yes. Beta, people learn that futility of war. It means war से सभी को परेशानी होती है, सभी को लिए वो दुख लेकर आती है. Wars bring about loss of life and suffering. बेटा war की वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों की जान जाती है, बहुत नुकसान होता है. We also learn that disputes should be solved peacefully. So all of these. UNO Charter was signed by dash countries. Yes, Bhavya will give the answer. UNO Charter was signed by. Very good, Raghav. Yes, Bhavya. UNO Charter was signed by. Very good,
Ma'am, 50 member countries on 24/90/45 in San Francisco, USA.
Yes, well done. Beta, UNO Charter was signed by 50 members countries in San Francisco, USA. The UN General Assembly is known as. UN General Assembly is known as. Natansh, try to give the answer, beta.
The World Parliament.
Very good. Well done. World Parliament. Beta, the UNO General Assembly is also known as World Parliament. Beta, in Indian Parliament, all the Indian leaders sit and discuss the issues. And in the same way, in General Assembly, leaders of all the member countries sit together and discuss the various issues. Well done. Beta, the UN Security Council has dash permanent members. Radhika.
Ma'am, 5 permanent members.
Yes. Beta, the Security Council has 5 permanent members, and the name of permanent member are USA,
China,
UK,
Russia,
France, Russia, and China. Beta, 5 permanent members are in Security Council. The name of 5 permanent members are USA, UK, France, China, and Russia. Well done. Beta, which dash is not functional anymore. It was formed to look after 11 regions that were not independent. Kritagya. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Give the answer, bache.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Beta, dash is not functional anymore. It was formed to look after.
Trusteeship Council is not functional anymore.
Yes, beta.
It was
Trusteeship Council. Trusteeship Council is not functioning anymore because, beta, it was made to look after the 11 non-independent nations. But now all the countries are independent. That's why Trusteeship Council is not working anymore. Beta, move on another question. The dash is the head of UN Secretary. The dash is the head of UN Secretary. Myra, try to give the answer.
Ma'am, UN Journal. The Secretary General.
Yes, well done. Secretary General. Beta, Secretary General is the head of UN Secretariat. The Secretary General is the head of UN Secretariat. Now we will learn the full forms. We will do full form. Beta, ICJ. ICJ stand for? Yes, beta, give the answer, bache. Yes, beta, give the answer. Yes. Well done. International Court of Justice. Beta, ICJ stand for International Court of Justice. Well done. Move on next. Well done, Raghav. Beta, so many students are writing the answer in correct answer in chat box. Well done. All of you, beta. UNESCO. UNESCO. Kanishka. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. UNESCO. Yeah, beta. UNESCO. UNESCO. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization. Move on next. UNICEF. UNICEF. Yes, Divyanshi. Well done. United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Beta, the full form of this agency is United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. This organization works for the benefits of children. Move on next. WHO. WHO. Yes, beta. Well done. WHO stands for World Health Organization. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Beta, FAO. FAO. Yes, beta. Komal, give the answer. A full form, FAO.
Ma'am, Food and Agriculture Organization.
Yes, Food and Agriculture Organization. The main aim of this agency to eradicate hunger from the world. Beta, move on next. UN. Yes, Dash. Yes, UN stands for United Nations and UNO stands for United Nations Organization. UNO stands for United Nations Organization. But now we have learned the full form of various agencies of UNO. Now we will learn headquarters of various agencies of UNO. But where is headquarters of UNESCO? Where is headquarters of UNESCO? Yes, Angel.
Scientific.
Angel, give the answer, bache.
Scientific.
Yes, bache. Radhika. Radhika, give the answer, bache. Yes, beta. Give the answer, beta. Bhabuk. Well done. Paris. Mehak. Well done. Manya. Okay. Yes, the beta headquarters of UNESCO is in Paris.
Paris.
Yes, headquarters of WHO. Beta headquarters of WHO. Yes, Divyanshi. Yes, Geneva. Beta the headquarters of WHO, Geneva. Well done. Beta where is headquarters of International Court of Justice? Manya. Manya, where is headquarters of International Court of Justice? Manya, आपने hand down कर लिया? I think so. Yes, Manmeet, right. So many students are writing the answer in chat box. Meg, give the answer. Where is headquarter of International Court of Justice?
Ma'am, in Netherlands.
Yes, in Hague, Netherlands. Beta, the headquarter of International Court of Justice is situated in Hague, Netherlands. Now we will do the short notes. Okay? Beta, all of you ready to give the answers? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. Beta, write a short note on UN Secretariat. Write a short note on UN Secretariat. Manya, give the answer, bache. Now you are on mute. Manya,
The Secretariat takes care of the day-to-day.
yes.
The Secretariat takes care of the day-to-day working on the UN and also looks after the programs and policies of the UN bodies. Its duties include peacekeeping operations, mediating in international disputes, organizing conferences to look into many world problems, interpreting speeches and translating documents into the UN's official languages.
Yes, but your answer is right. Anyone else
I can tell.
wants to give?
Bye.
Yes, Max. Yes. Try to give the same answer.
Ma'am, the Secretariat takes care of the day-to-day working of the UN and also looks after the programs and policies of the UN bodies. Its duties include peacekeeping operations, mediating in international disputes, organization conferences to look into many world problems, interrupting speeches and translating documents into the UN's office languages. The Secretary General is the head of the UN Secretariat. He is appointed by the UN General Assembly for 5 years. This term can be renewed.
Yes, beta. Now I sum up the points given by Manya and Mehak. Beta, the Secretariat carried out day-to-day working of the UNO. The Secretariat carried out day-to-day working of UN. Beta, it look after the policies and program. It look after the policies and program laid down by the other organs of UN. Beta, clear beta? It look after the policies and program laid down by other organ of United Nations. Beta, the Secretariat is headed by Secretary General. The Secretariat is headed by Secretary General. Beta, Secretary General is appointed by General Assembly on the recommendation of Security Council for the term of 5 years. Beta, the Secretary General is appointed by General Assembly on the recommendation of Security Council for the term of 5 years. Yes.
मैम जैसे मैंने बोला वैसे भी लिख सकते हैं.
Yes, beta, yes. You use some difficult words. That's why आप वैसे भी लिख सकते हो. You can learn, but yes, beta. Move on next. Beta, write a short note on International Court of Justice. Yes. Kanishka won't give the answer, beta. Yes. Yes, Kanishka, your answer is right, but might be your answer is not audible by the other students, those who are sitting at home. So Manmeet ko give the answer, beta.
The International Court of Justice is judicial organ of
Beta, speak little bit loudly. Your voice is
The
not properly
International
audible.
Court of Justice is the judicial organ of the United Nations. It is also known as World Court. It has 15 judges. Its headquarters is Hagen in Netherlands.
Yes. Yes, beta. Right.
It
Well done.
settles disputes that are brought to it by member states and advises members country.
Yes, beta. International Court of Justice is a judicial organ of United Nations. International Court of Justice is the judicial organ of United Nations. Beta, it is also called World Court. It is also called World Court. There it consists of 15 members and its headquarters is in Hague, Netherlands. Beta, it's solve the dispute between member countries of UNO. It solves the dispute between the member countries of UNO. Yes, well done. Bache,
Thank you, ma'am.
move on next. What do you know? UNICEF. Beta, write a short note on UNICEF.
Organization works for children's rights.
Manmeet. Beta, now some other student will give the answer. UNICEF. Kinjal will give the answer. Kinjal. Kinjal Sharma. Yes. Try to give the answer of UNICEF.
This organization works for children's rights, their development, protection, and survival. It
Well
was
done.
set up after the World War II to meet the needs of the children. The UNICEF tries to bring down the death rate among children by giving vacations, antibiotics, bed nets, and many other things. It also works towards giving basic education to boys and girls.
Yes, beta. Well done. Kinjal. Kritagya also give the answer of same question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, the
Try
answer
to
is
add some new points. New points, Kritagya. Pavneet.
ma'am, this organization works for children's rights, their development, protection, and survival. It was set up after the World War II to meet the needs of children by giving vaccines, antibiotics, bed nets, and many other things. It also works towards giving basic education to boys and girls. It works with government to improve the lives of children all over the world.
Yes,
It
beta.
is also involved in the field of water, sanitation, and nutrition. The organization has helped to uplift the condition of innumerable mothers and children in the poorer parts of the world.
Yes, beta. This organization work for children rights, their development and production. It was set up after the Second World War. Beta, it tries to, beta, this organization tries to bring down the death rate among children. Beta, it works with government to improve the lives of children all over the world. Yes. Beta, move on our next. Write a short note on UNESCO. Yes. Bhavu, give the answer. Speak loudly. Yes, beta. Yes, Pavneet, good, well done, beta. Well done. Yes, beta, well done, Bhavuk. Yes. Pavneet, well done. Sit down, beta. Yes, beta. Beta, it's promote international cooperation in the area of science, education, and culture. Beta, it works towards international peace. It works towards international peace. It also protect human rights. It also protect human rights, and it has its headquarter at Paris. And it has its headquarter at Paris. Move on. The question answers, beta. Again, raise your hands for giving the answer, beta. Name the main bodies of UNO. Beta, bodies of UNO means name the main organs of United Nations. Name the main organs of United Nations. Yes, Kanishka. Well done. Yes. Hiren, try to give the answer, beta. Name the main organs of United Nations, बच्चे. Yes, beta. Hiren. I think network issue. Yes, beta. Shiven Mahajan. Try to give the answer, beta. Name the main organs of United Nations. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the main organs of United Nations are.
Well done.
Ma'am, General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council.
Yes.
Secretariat, International Court of Justice.
Yes, beta, you left one. Trusteeship Council. Yes, beta.
But it is not working anymore.
Yes, beta, not anymore. But that time, when United Nations was formed, it was the organ of United Nations. So we will write the name of all the organs. Okay. The first is General Assembly. Second is Security Council. Third is Social and Economic Council. Fourth is Trusteeship Council. Fifth is Secretariat. And sixth is International Court of Justice. First, repeat after me. First is General Assembly. Second is Security Council. Third is Economic and Social Council. Fourth is Secretariat. Fifth is International Court of Justice. And sixth is Trusteeship Council. Yes, beta. Move on another. Beta, what are the aims and objectives of United Nations? Beta, what are the aims and objectives of United Nations? Yes, Bhavya. Yes, Ashpreet, Raghav Gupta will give the answer. Raghav, try to give the answer, beta. What are the main objectives of United Nations?
The main objective of the United Nations are, number one, to maintain the world peace and security and develop good relations between countries. Number two, to encourage cooperation to solve social, cultural, economic, and humanitarian problems on an international level. And
Raghav, your voice is not properly audible. Beta, your voice is not properly audible. आपका कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा जो आप आंसर दे रहे हो बेटा. Pavneet, you are writing correct answer in chat box. Well done. Yes, beta. Myra will give the answer.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What are the objectives of United Nations? Aims and objectives. Yes.
The main aim of the United Nations is to bring peace, and the main objectives of the UN are to maintain world peace and security and develop good relations between countries, to encourage cooperation, to solve social, cultural, economic, and humanitarian problems on international level, promote respect for human rights and freedom, to act as a common platform for harmonizing the activities of various nations for the attainment of the objectives of the UN.
Yes, well done.
These are
Well done, Myra. Thank you, bache. Beta, so many students are giving the correct answer in chat box. Radhika is also writing in chat box correct answer. Yes, beta. Objectives of United Nations to work towards international peace and security. Beta, it is the main objective of United Nations to work toward international peace and security. Next is to promote friendly relation among nation. To promote friendly relation among nation. Beta, if we have friendly relation with our neighboring countries, then there is less chance of war. So promote friendly relation among nation. Next is to promote cooperation among nation. To promote cooperation among nation in solving social, economic and cultural problem. To promote cooperation among nations in solving social, economic and cultural problems. To protect human right and freedom. The main objective is also to protect human right and freedom. Beta, it serves as a center where countries can coordinate their action. Beta, it serves as a center where countries can coordinate their action. So we have learned 5 objectives of United Nations: to work toward international peace and security, to promote friendly relation among nations, to promote cooperation among nations, solving in social economic problem, to promote human rights and freedom. It serves as a center where countries can coordinate their actions. Beta, move on our next question. What is the role of Economic and Social Council? What is the role of Economic and Social Council? Advika. Advika, try to give the answer. Yes, Advika. Yes, Advika, but try to give the answer. What is the role of Social and Economic Council? Yes, Muskan, give the answer, bache. Yes, sit down, beta. Yes, beta. Well done, beta. Yes, beta. Move on. Next question. Sorry. Beta, Ashpreet Kaur, repeat the answer. Repeat the answer. Ashpreet Kaur. Ashpreet Kaur. Ashpreet Kaur of 5th D. Beta, give the answer. I think again network issue. Komal. Komal, beta, try to give the answer, bache. Komal.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, give the answer of our 3rd question. What do you know about Economic and Social Council? Yes, bache. Yes, bache. Divya is writing correct answer in the chat box. Yes, beta. Komal. I think Network issue with Komal. Yes, beta, Muskan and Divya is writing, gave the correct answer. Beta, it aim at closing the gap. The main aim of Social and Economic Council is to reduce the gap between rich and poor country. The main aim of this Social and Economic Council is to reduce the gap between rich and poor country. It provides direct funds to the countries in need. It also encourages rich country. It also encourages rich country to help out the poor one. To help out the poor one. Beta, its aim to improve health condition and education. Its aim to improve health condition and education. Beta, move on our next question. Our next question is, what do you know about WHO? WHO. Yes. Irene, mute yourself. Yes, beta. Mehak, give the answer. What do you know about?
Ma'am, the World Health Organization provides healthcare facilities on an international level. It has a strong hand in organizing campaigns worldwide against diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, with special emphasis on AIDS, diseases that attack millions of people and kill them.
Yes.
It takes upon itself the task of spreading awareness among people so as to prevent the spread of these diseases. It has its headquarters at Geneva. Government are also aided by the WHO on the health matters. Ma'am, only this.
Okay, good, beta. Angel, beta, try to give the answer of WHO with your opinion.
Good morning, ma'am.
Correct answer. Yes, Angel, try to give the answer. What do you know about WHO, beta?
WHO stands for World Health Organization. The World Health Organization provides healthcare facilities on an international level. It has a strong hand in organization worldwide against diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, with special emphasis on AIDS, diseases that attack millions of people and kill them. It takes upon itself the task of spreading awareness among people so as to prevent the spread of these diseases. It encourages community health care and equips health workers with the expertise
try to write the points in easy language. Beta, the World Health Organization provide healthcare facilities on an international level. The World Health Organization provide healthcare facility on an international level. Beta, this organization launch campaign against diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, and AIDS. This organization launched campaign against diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, and AIDS. Beta, it encouraged community health care. Governments are also aided by WHO on health matters. Governments are also aided on by the WHO on health matters. It has its headquarters at Geneva.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Yes, beta, your answer is also right. Yes, beta. Move on. Our next question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our next, yes, beta. Our next question is, what, name the special agencies of the UNO and write about any two. Beta, we have already done short note on 3 agencies of UNO. Beta, here you will write the name of all the agency and you can explain any 2 agencies and give the name of special agencies of UNO. Beta, all the special agencies of UNO. Beta, UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, FAO and UN. Beta, UN. Beta, all these are the agencies of United Nations. Beta, UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization. Beta, you will write full form in your notebooks. Don't write short form. Okay? Write full form. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, and International Labour Organization. All these are agencies of United Nations. And beta, explain any 2 agencies. We have already explain 3 agencies in part E. So write any 2 agencies. Okay. But with this, we have finished this chapter. Okay. So your homework is to write the question answer of this chapter on your fair notebook and also read the chapter 22, the United Nations. But tomorrow is also a test of your, tomorrow is your test of GK, exercise number 39, Indian Olympic winners, and exercise number 41, national sports. But tomorrow is your GK test on Teachment app at 5:30 p.m. So those who have not enrolled yet, please enroll yourself on Teachment app. Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you.